Hey guys, thank you for joining me this week on Traveling with Us in Costa Rica. Smoking, the volcano is smoking today. The first thing you want to do in Costa Rica is to just stop, breathe, and take it all in. It is so green, natural, it is calm and serene. Just relax. As far as the eyes can see. Now, after you're done relax, let's go on an ATV tour.
It is she, my lady. I didn't wake. Ha! Drum loves that.
So on our tour, we went to see a demonstration from the Mistico tribe. It was pretty cool. We got to see their dressing, their attire. They gave us something to drink. That's a usual drink of their tribe, and gave us the history of their tribe and so on. It was fun.
Hola.
Yeah, so they took us to the river where we got pictures, and also along the countryside, riding through it. It was so much fun. You should do it. There are so many good restaurants in La Fortuna. Fortuneno was where we went for our anniversary. I'm going to leave a list of all the great places below. You think so? All right, here we go. Bust the straw for me. My maybe first time having a Mai Tai. I'm excited. All right, here we go.
Like bamboo.
Ah, that's so cute. All right. Yeah, I don't think I've had that.
No?
But it is good. That's good. There's so many hotels and places to see and things to do. But also, if you're staying there at an Airbnb, there are also free hot springs that you can access. You just park on the roadside. There'll be someone who directs you. It's like 5,000 colones, I think, for them to watch your car, or 2,000. I can't remember. We didn't do it. But you can do that. There's also Baldi hot springs. That does day passes. They do day passes. Baldi hot springs, I hear, is pretty fun. We love nature. We like to go at our own pace, so we didn't actually do Baldi. But it's like a water park. They have a swim-up bar. I met a fellow Jamaican staying at our hotel with his wife, and they also did it, and they had a great time. So Baldi hot springs is something that you can do for a day pass if you're staying at an Airbnb. So our stop was the Arenal Hanging Bridges tour.
Yeah, let's go. No, we're coming back around this way. No, we want to go.
You're the mountain there.
Over here, we're gonna go straight.
Okay. All right. Let's go straight. Where's the monkey? There are also snakes. What else they have? Spiders. I wonder if there are any sloths in this one.
Yeah, they said this off.
They did? That big one in the middle.
Yeah.
Big one.
Whoa, leaf cutter ends. Yeah. Drones gonna love that. She's gonna go all the way up the tree.
Wasn't good or anything.
That's pretty cool. Let me see, like bridge that makes sound when I drive on it. I said I don't even like bridges that make sounds when I drive on it. Much more dark. Very touchy.
That's almost like a monitor.
What that reminded me of, it kind of looked like a galawas. You don't know galawas from country? They live in the rocks. They're like a cross between a lizard and a snake and them shiny. Yeah, that's. So we did the hanging bridges. There are 8 suspended hanging bridges. The highest one is about 200 feet above the ground. They do swing when you walk on them. That was unpleasant, but it was fun.
Yeah, let me put the phone down. It was just us, no kids. Well, the guy was telling me to bring the next one. Yeah, so maybe that's why it's there's a lot of low flow. Yeah.
So the hike does last about 2.5 hours. It was fun. There's some parts where it gets steep, going down and coming up. So be prepared. Wear sneakers and socks and have a good time. Now everybody goes, you have to see the waterfall. You have to go to the waterfall. All right, so we did it, guys. It's 530 steps down to get to the waterfall. And yes, you have to take the 530 steps back up from the waterfall. It was beautiful. It was nice to see. It was different. You know, some of used to Wise Falls and Duns River, so it was different. But it was fun. It was good walking and good exercise and getting to see. We also heard monkeys while we were there. You could hear howling monkeys. So, yeah. You know, it's something unique to the area, so you just feel like you have to do it. So go ahead and experience it. It was $18 per person to enter the park. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. We're headed back to San Jose.
You. Yeah. You may attack you. Did you like, share, subscribe yet? Did you leave a comment? In the case of Nina, go ahead and hit like, share, subscribe for me. Tell a friend now, please. Please and thanks. I'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys on the next one. All right? What good?